Hello folks, continuing along with our Christmas treats and stuff here. We're going to be making peanut butter fudge, and we're going to be making it a little bit different this time. Later on I'll be showing you another easy way to make fudge, but today what we need, we're going to be making actually peanut butter fudge. Got your chips here, 3 cups, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and you need a 1/4 cup of butter. And this is actually, now there's some fudge recipes I would not recommend to kids a helping. That when you're cooking it on the stove and everything, I would be scared to have the kids around. That's the way Carolyn, she makes fudge, of course. Me and Dan, we try to stay out of our way there. We don't. But this here, all you're going to do, now you can heat this up on the stove, but you can just as easily do it in the microwave. Combine everything together, melt it in the microwave, get everything good and combined together, and then we're just going to pour it into an 8x8 pan, and we're going to actually put parchment paper down there where it's easier about getting out, and just let it chill, let it cool and set up, and you've got it. You can easily make this here with chocolate chips also, butterscotch, whatever your preference is. Let's get started. Like I said, we're just going to combine everything together. Let me get me a little spurtle here. Okay, that's a little too big there, Shug. Where's our little spurtle at? There it is. There it is. Alrighty. Just combine everything together here. We'll set it in the microwave. Like I said, the old-timey fudge. I mean, don't get me wrong, folks, it's good. But now I can remember when I was little, Mom let me lick the bowl and everything. But that stuff there, if you was to get it on you, even adult too, great day. It's just gonna keep a burning. Alrighty, finish getting this here on out. We'll throw the butter in there, and then I know everybody's microwaves vary. We'll just put it in there some. Recipe I think said like 2 to 3 minutes. We'll put it in there and just keep watching it, and get the butter off here. Throw that down in there. I'm gonna set it in the microwave. We'll start off with 2 minutes. Alright, here you can see what it looks like. We did ours for exactly 2 minutes in our microwave. Alrighty. And Carolyn reminded me it's pouring the rain today. Could be a failure, folks. We'll see.
It's the cook kind. It may just.
Well, we'll find out. I don't know.
It'll do good.
Trust me, the way my luck is. Alright, just get it put around in the thing there. We'll smooth it out the best we can. Now, we'll stick it in the refrigerator here in a minute, and we'll show you the final results here shortly. Alrighty, folks, it's sat in the refrigerator for a little bit. Let's try cutting it now here. Let's see what we got. And then what most importantly, we'll have them give it a taste test here for us. Shug. Dan.
Thank you. Delicious.
Delicious.
Good.
Pretty good, folks. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. And don't forget, we've still got to try to get our giveaway. We're going to try to do that this week one day. We'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching.